In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an archived project in Hubstaff. If you've archived a project by mistake, or you simply need to make an older project active again, Hubstaff makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can restore the project quickly and get back to managing it as usual. To begin, make sure you're signed into Hubstaff and that you're in the correct organization or workspace where the project was originally archived. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the Project Management section in the navigation area and click on it. This is where Hubstaff keeps your project list, including both active and archived projects. After you enter Project Management, you'll usually land on the Active Projects view by default. Since the project you want is no longer active, the next thing you need to do is switch to the archived list. To do that, click on Archived. This will filter the project list so you can see only the projects that have been archived. At this point, take a moment to locate the specific project you want to bring back. If you have a long list of archived projects, it can help to scan carefully before taking action, especially if some project names are similar. Restoring the correct project is important because once it's active again, it may become visible to your team and available for tracking or management again. When you've found the right project, move to that project's row and click on Actions. This opens the available options for that archived project. The Actions menu is where Hubstaff places project-specific controls, so if you're ever trying to update the status of a project, this is usually the place to check. From the Actions menu, click on Restore Project. As soon as you do that, Hubstaff will restore the archived project and return it to your active project list. That means it should no longer appear under the Archive tab and should now be available again in your regular project management view. Once the project is restored, it's a good idea to double-check the active projects list to confirm everything looks right. You may also want to review the project settings, team assignments, or billing details if the project has been archived for a while, just to make sure everything is still up to date. And that's it. That's how to restore an archived project in Hubstaff.